clean this toy room. I'm gonna declutter as I clean. I'm so excited to get this done. I'm totally not feeling the motivation, but I'm committed to getting it done, so let's go! I'm starting with picking up all the plushies. They are big and easy to get out of the way and will make the biggest difference initially if I can get them all out of the way. I'm also going to take this blue bin and start putting things in there that are going to the trash. I wish I could say I'm going to donate them, and I have recently donated a bunch of stuff, but I do not foresee getting to the donation place within the next few days, and I just need this stuff out of my house. Foam pieces are from Foamnasium, and they're really fun. My kids do enjoy them, but they take up a lot of space. I'm wiping some crayon or marker. It comes off very easily with a magic eraser. I'm not even playing today, y'all. I'm in a decluttering mood. It's going to the trash. This truck and trailer goes with an excavator toy that is outside, so I'll put it outside later in the video. My kids' toys give me so much anxiety. I feel like I don't even know where to begin. I try to think of organizational strategies that will work, but I've just come to realize that it's an inventory issue. I had a light bulb moment watching The Minimal Mom. Her channel is great, and she says if you constantly have trouble keeping certain things or areas picked up or organized, then it's probably more than likely an inventory issue, aka you have too much. I can't manage everything that we have. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. My name is Mary Lou if you're new here. I'm a wife and a mama of 3 littles, ages almost 5 years old and under. I really appreciate you being here. Hopefully you'll get motivated to get some of your house picked up and decluttered too. I make lots of cleaning, decluttering, and other lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So if you enjoy that, please click that subscribe button down below. I feel like my kids never really play with all their toys until I start picking them up. Then that's a surefire way that they come and all of a sudden they want to play with their stuff. Anybody else feel like this? Let me know in the comments below. point, I'm getting tired. I'm ready to be done. So I'm just going to start putting stuff away. No rhyme or reason, just getting it out of sight. I will leave organizing to another day, and you know what? That's okay. I'm going to put all these plushies away in my kids' plushie bins. Each of my kids have a big fabric bin like this in their room. I try to designate only their plushies in their bins. Thank you so much for being here today. Go get your to-do list, declutter, and done. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!